Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting, nouns. So, are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, an animal, a thing or a feeling. Let's explore the 4 important types of nouns with many examples. Proper nouns. These are special names. Examples: Mount Everest, India, Charan, Barbie, Kit Kat, Amazon River. Common nouns. These are general names. Examples: boy, girl, city, fruit, car, toy, teacher, park. Collective nouns. These describe groups. Examples: a flock of birds, a team of players, a bunch of grapes, a class of students, a bouquet of flowers. Possessive nouns. These show ownership. Examples: Ria's dress, Rahul's school bag, the dog's tail, the teacher's chalk. Dice activity. Now let's practice together. If I say Delhi, you say proper noun. If I say cat, you say common noun. If I say an army of soldiers, you say collective noun. If I say Meena's bicycle, you say possessive noun. Say them again with me slowly. Delhi, proper, cat, common, army, collective, bicycle, possessive. Excellent! Nouns can also be concrete or abstract. Concrete nouns are things you can see, touch, taste, hear or smell. Examples: book, apple, perfume, chair, drum, flower, chocolate cake. Abstract nouns are things you cannot see or touch, but you can feel them. Examples: happiness, love, bravery, honesty, kindness, freedom, anger. Dice game. Let's play together. I will say some words. You shout out concrete or abstract. Mango, concrete. Friendship, abstract. Rainbow, concrete. Wisdom, abstract. Perfume, concrete. Courage, abstract. Star, concrete. Kindness, abstract. Great! Now repeat after me. Mango, concrete. Friendship, abstract. Rainbow, concrete. Courage, abstract. Well done! Now let's see how abstract nouns are formed. They can come from verbs. Think becomes thought. Permit becomes permission. Decide becomes decision. Choose becomes choice. They can also come from adjectives. Happy becomes happiness. Honest becomes honesty. Brave becomes bravery. Kind becomes kindness. This is how we create new abstract nouns from simple words. Dice practice. Repeat after me slowly. Excite, excitement. Brave, bravery. Joyful, joy. Sad, sadness. Honest, honesty. Excellent! Let's look at some more verbs turning into abstract nouns. Unite becomes unity. Live becomes life. Laugh becomes laughter. Protect becomes protection. Educate becomes education. Fail becomes failure. Behave becomes behavior. Grow becomes growth. Move becomes movement. Now let's use them in sentences. Unity, unity is strength. Laughter, laughter makes us happy. Bravery, bravery makes a hero. Failure, failure is the first step to success. Education, education gives us knowledge. Growth, growth makes us strong. Time to revise. Today we learned nouns are naming words. 4 types: proper, common, collective, possessive. Concrete and abstract nouns. How abstract nouns are formed. And we practiced many sentences. Fantastic job, kids! Today you learned a lot about nouns in a fun way. Well done! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye kids. Thanks for watching.